show y'all today's project. Where's the light? Okay, light, where are you? Is this the light? No. Oh, God, what is happening here? Shit. Okay, all right. So we're in the theater room, okay? This right here was our old headboard. And Ron, okay, you see these black acoustic sound absorbing panels that he got up. He even had one up here on the ceiling too, okay? So I got some paint, fabric paint, and I'm gonna try to paint this headboard black because we're not using it anyway, and see if it can go here in between these two speakers, or maybe in place of this one. I don't freaking know, but I don't want to throw it out. And I feel like he can use this as the sound thing. So he done had it in here since we got the new bed. And I'm going to take it outside and paint it and see if we can help him out a little bit. I mean, it's just, and listen, if it doesn't go well, he still has this stuff, this felt fabric stuff, and I'll use that to cover this if the paint don't work. But I kind of wanted to paint the work so that we can keep like the tuft and detail. I don't know, I think that'll be cool. Anyway, we're gonna take this outside and start on this project. Or should I paint it laying down? Maybe I should paint it laying down. Yeah, let's paint it laying down flat. Use this. Is this even in the frame? Because I can't see. This old stand I had, right? In the paintbrush. And then I got this fabric painting medium. Textiles. Is this even in the frame? Yeah, I can't see because I got the thing turned around backwards. Textile medium. It's 8 ounces of this. I need to put my glasses on and read how to work it. Let's just take a seat here. I'm missing an arm on both my last pair of readers. One arm, it's okay, I don't even care. Just have to kind of wedge them on there like this. So it says you can create a washable permanent area. So you mix this, hold up, apply with a brush or a sponge onto fabric, heat set 30 seconds with an iron. Oh my God, what? So where are the directions? Use this whole thing. 2 of these, so 4 ounces, 8 ounces of this with 4 ounces of color. 2 to 1, right? I don't know if that's what that means, child. I don't know. Half of this. I'm guessing. And stir. Oh my God. Okay, you know what, lady? Okay, lady. I don't know if this is even gonna be enough, y'all. Reason to it. I don't know that this is going to be enough. Oh my goodness. Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs.
too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, feel the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Girl, it's time you put yourself first. Go and get the love you deserve. Stop by screaming out the word. No, 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 no. Don't let anyone put you down. Stand up straight and hold your head high. Stop by saying it out loud. No, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no.
Yeah, at this point, I had done came to the conclusion that we were going to run out of paint fairly quickly. And then I was going to try to move on to idea number 2, which also did not work. But it's totally fine because we'll just cover it with the fabric. And that way it won't be a total wash of a project. You know, my intentions were good. That was the whole point, was to get up, get moving, act busy, you know, help Bay out a little bit in the process of my acting busy. And, you know, it didn't work, but I'll go ahead and cover it with fabric. No need to film that. You know, we'll just pick another project around here to work on. I mean, spring is here, you know, spring is here. I'm just trying to talk to you through this little portion of it because it was a wash at this point. Like, I had came to the conclusion, the spray paint ain't it. But let's just keep going and see it through. That's a part of it, y'all. Seeing the process through. Now, Auntie is done playing games with y'all. Bug spray. Coffee. Sweet tea. Broken glasses. It don't matter. Oh, wait a minute. No, this goes to the other pair. Tape on them. Yeah. This goes to the other pair, but I might can make these work. I need to. Yeah, see, look. Improvise. Improvise, sis. It feels so good out here. The time is probably 10:27 a.m. 10:27. I think we're supposed to get up to maybe like 70 something degrees, 70 something, which sounds good to me. And I really need to go get my nails done. I need to run up the street real quick and get my nails did because they're looking horrific. Can y'all believe I'm still wearing these short ass nails? I can't believe it. I think I've gotten used to them now. Anyway, we need to go get our nails done. Check this color off. It's time to Not really a fill-in because S&S don't do fill-ins. I just need a new color. And I think I'm going to get them shaped into the oval. The almond shape? I don't know. The grandma shape. Anyway, I think that's what I'm going to go do. And then, is there any other projects that I could tackle? Let me look around the palace and see. I'm feeling like I need to be doing something. You know what I mean? You ever feel like you've just been in a rest period for just so long? You're like, okay, I need to come out of this rest period and do something. That's how I'm feeling. Which ain't often. So, when it happens, sis, I got to get on it. So, let's go to the nail shop. That was a failed project. Look at the headboard, y'all. Look at it. Failed project. We can still wrap it. I don't know where the fabric is, though. Now I don't feel like doing it. Now I'm over the project right now. Nails done. I hate them. I absolutely hate them. Like, girl. Ugh. Ew. The short nails are definitely not for me. But I don't want to do the long. Oh, let me get my spray. Because y'all tripping. Oh, God. I always know that I'm going to have to spray when I'm out here. That's a fact. These big, the long-legged bees are the ones. The fat one, Fat Bill keeps them long-legged ones out of this area where I'm at. But Fat Bill is busy. But I got something for you. Anyway, what I was saying was, I don't like short nails. What is that on here already? I don't like the short nails, but I also don't feel like fooling with long nails either. So it's kind of like, what do? You just wear the short ones and complain, or do you do the long ones? And no, I'm just gonna wear the short ones and complain. Yes. Wow. I think for the remainder of the day, I think I'm going to figure out what's for dinner. So let me tell y'all, this past weekend, I had, if you watch my my reels, I had all my grandkids, well, all my daughters were here. Oldest daughter, everybody was here. All the grandbabies were here. When I tell you this house was tore up, it was tore up. But it was all fine because it was the grandbabies who made the mess. But we had a really great weekend. I mean, I had a really, really, really good weekend. And I just really took it in. Like, I don't know. I was in the moment. And you know, I was thinking too when I was putting up the reels. I said a lot of y'all watching right now remembered the first couple grandbabies. Like, y'all were here for all of it. Y'all have watched them come into this world via these vlogs. If I was there, y'all have watched them grow up. If you follow daughters' channels, we have really had some togetherness, y'all. We had some togetherness. Those are our babies. Technically, they are our babies, okay? But that's what we did this weekend. We had a wonderful time. Sunday, I cooked pot roast and the vegetables. Then I made My brain is drew a blank. Pot roast. Okay, if I say that one more time. What else? Cabbage. Okay. Cornbread. Corn. We had actual corn on a cob. Ribs on the grill. That's what it was. We also had a rack of ribs. Oh. Okay. I think they're trying to build a nest in these little bushes right here. That one over there in particular. I'm gonna keep my eye on you, buddy. Y'all watch my back here, because I know it's one with the long legs doing something. And then, okay, so what else? I'm trying to think of all the things I need to tell y'all. So that was the weekend. And I gave them so many sweets. Because that's my job. But them little bit, well, actually all of them, not all of them. Now some of them have gotten a bug from each other. So the grandbabies are all throwing up. I'm gonna be in here disinfecting today. They are all yeah, so right now all of the grandbabies are got a stomach bug. Everybody's throwing up. I think even Quan has caught whatever they have. None of us are sick. So I don't know. Anywho, y'all, I'm glad y'all answered the phone today. Tomorrow I'll call y'all probably around the same time. Who knows, okay? We'll have another project. Maybe it won't be such a failed one as this one, but it's okay. It's okay. We attempted. We tried. It didn't work. It's okay. Totally fine. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for answering the phone. Auntie love you to the moon and back. Okay? She love you. Short nails and all, girl. Okay?